Makita Portable Power Pack PDC. The Connect's portable backpack power supply is a high-capacity backpack that delivers 1,200 watt-hours of output. It provides enough power to last an entire workday. Actual run times may vary depending on the product, application, and length of the workday. It is compatible with 36 volts CellXT and 40 volts MaxX GT systems. Constructed to last, it is X-rated for weather resistance. The battery box can be detached from the harness and used as a stationary power supply. It features a flat base, allowing the product to stand upright, and an integrated carrying handle for convenience. An LED battery charge level indicator helps the operator keep an eye on the battery's charge level. It takes 3 hours to fully charge the power supply. The Makita 40-volt Max BL Planer 82mm XGT Bare Unit is a professional-grade planer that is perfect for smooth, rough, and thin planing. It is equipped with an auto-start wireless system that allows it to connect via Bluetooth to any compatible dust extractor. The dust extractor will continue to run as long as the switch is on. Additionally, it includes a variety of essential safety features, such as a lock-off function, an electric brake for quick stops, and an anti-restart function. The planer also has chip ejection on both the left and right sides, and it comes with a front base that has 3 chamfering grooves. This tool is ideal for professional users. The Makita 40-volt Max BL Planer 82mm XGT is supplied as a bare unit, and it comes with a guide rule, an accessory set, anti-corrosion paper, and a wrench. So, it's a perfect tool for professional users. Makita ML009 GL Cordless Work Light. The 40 volts MaxX GT Cordless Work Light delivers bright illumination, versatility, and convenience. With 3 modes of operation, you can choose between 10,000 lumens on high, 4,000 on medium, and 2,000 lumens on low. And with the ability to hold 2 40-volt XGT batteries or 2 18-volt CellXT batteries, you can enjoy up to 14 hours of continuous illumination on low. And if you want even more runtime, the second battery can be utilized for extended use. Makita 001 grams Cordless Cooler and Warmer Box. The Makita CW001G Cordless Cooler and Warmer Box is a portable cooling and warming device that can be powered by Makita's LXT cordless tools. It has a capacity of 18 liters and can keep food and drinks cold or warm for hours. It has a built-in battery indicator and can be used with Makita's 18-volt CellXT batteries. It is designed for use on construction sites, camping, picnics, and other outdoor activities. It is also ideal for use on boats and RVs. Makita Cordless Garden Sprayer. The 18-volt CellXT Li-ion Cordless 5-plunk length garden sprayer is a powerful and versatile tool for all your gardening needs. It features an H-shaped double-head nozzle that allows for single or double-head spraying and 2-mode selectable feature for adjustable spraying. It also has a telescopic spray wand, a paddle switch for easy on-off control, and compatibility with the round nozzle ULV5. The battery pops out easily for removal, and the IP54 rated dust and shower-proof construction makes it durable and able to withstand various weather conditions. With the extreme protection technology dust and drip-proof performance, you can use it in any condition. The 5-plunk length large capacity tank is ergonomically designed for users' comfort, and it has a 1.7 meters hose that allows for easy operation. Makita 18-volt Cordless Heat Gun. The Cordless Heat Gun, powerful and versatile. This tool can reach temperatures up to 550 degrees Celsius. The air temperature can be adjusted to suit your needs, and with a maximum airflow of 200 Planck lengthmen, it's almost as powerful as competitors' DC machines. The quick-release mechanism allows for easy nozzle replacement, and the nozzle can be removed without touching the hot metal part simply by turning the plastic ring. With a continuous runtime of up to 30 minutes with an 18-volt Cell XT 6.0H battery BL186 you can work efficiently without interruption. The trigger switch includes lock-on and lock-off functions, and it's compatible with current nozzles for AC machines for increased versatility. The single LED jarb light with afterglow function illuminates your work area, and the compact and ergonomic design, combined with a lightweight construction, reduces operator fatigue. The rubberized soft grip provides increased comfort on the job, and the hanging hook is a convenient feature. The anti-restart function and overload protection ensure added safety. Upgrade your work with this cordless heat gun. Makita Cordless Grease Gun. The Makita Cordless Grease Gun, the perfect tool for maintenance jobs on heavy machinery, farm machinery, or other large machinery. With a compatibility for grease number 2, this grease gun features a stand-up design and shoulder strap for increased comfort on the job. The ergonomically designed handle with soft grip provides additional comfort, and the built-in LED lights with separate switch help locate hard-to-see grease fittings in low light. Powered by a Makita 18-volt Cell XT Li-ion battery, it has a battery protection circuit that protects against overloading, over-discharging, and overheating. The automatic change of flow rate and powerful motor delivers up to 69 MPa of max pressure. It has 2 speed modes, slow and auto switching. The auto speed change mode applies grease while varying the flow rate, automatically matching the resistance of the part being greased. The variable speed trigger allows the user to adjust the discharge rate and lock-on button for user convenience during longer work periods. With a maximum flow rate of 290 ml per minute for faster work, and bulk grease can be directly loaded into the barrel. The 1.2 meters flexible hose enables easy operation even in tight places. Upgrade your maintenance work with the Makita Cordless Grease Gun. The Makita 050BCHF is a powerful, cordless, and portable fan that is designed to be worn on a hard hat or helmet. With an 18-volt lithium-ion battery, this fan can be adjusted to different angles and speeds, making it perfect for use in a variety of industrial and construction settings. Whether you're working in hot conditions or need increased air circulation, the Makita 50BC is an ideal tool to keep you cool and comfortable. And as it's compatible with Makita's 18-volt Cell XT lithium-ion battery platform, it's easy to integrate into your existing collection of Makita tools. Keep cool and comfortable on the job with the Makita 50BC cordless mobile helmet fan. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.